PLC ladder diagram star delta motor connection. Let us start programming. Click on File and select New. Select PLC model and write program name. Star delta motor connection. Click OK. Select Normally Open Contact. Select X1 and write Command Start. Select Normally Close Contact for First Stop button and Command Stop button. Click Output QA and select AMO and Comment as latch. Now select Normally Open Contact and connect it between X1 and XO. Now use M0 for controlling. Select coil Y0 and named as main contactor. Also select timer T0 for K15. From Normally Open Contact of Time Week, select Y1 and named as Star Contactor. From Normally Close Contact, we select Y2 and named as Delta Contactor. Compile program. Now for offline simulation, click Simulator. Click Download PC to PLC. Run the program. Select X0 and on it. First run Y0 timer and Y2. After timer time complete off Y2 and on Y1. Increase timer time if needed. Click Stop button and on it for stop. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe Multitech.